Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can add playing a game on Discord Mobile. So let's get started. If you want Discord to display the game you're playing on your mobile device, you'll first need to make sure your activity settings are enabled and that your game is properly connected to your Discord account. Start by opening the Discord app and signing in to your account. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Next, open Content and Social. If you're managing a server, select the server where you want to use this feature. Inside the server settings, find Activity Status and turn it on. Also, enable Activity Joining if you want other users to be able to join your game when it's supported. After that, go to Connected Games. You'll need to link the game you want Discord to display. Many supported games allow you to connect your Discord account directly from the game settings, so complete that connection if you haven't already. Once the game is linked and your activity settings are enabled, Discord will automatically show the game you're currently playing in your activity status whenever it's supported. Keep in mind that not every mobile game supports Discord's game activity feature, so if your game doesn't appear, it may not currently offer Discord integration. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.